Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to remove duplicate observation from the SAS dataset. There are 7 or 8 techniques which I will be showing here, but before that I am going to show you the database which I will be using in all the examples. I have created this dataset data duplicate. In that I'll be using 4 variables: first name, last name, sex, age. And in this there are 9 observations. Out of that 4 are duplicates, where all the 4 variables are same, like for Tom Alter male 23, Tom Alter male 23. Similarly, like out of these 8 variables, 4 are duplicates, and there are same values in all the 4 variables. But the last one I've kept it as different, because I want to show this in one of the example. Andrea Smith female 31, which is different from the above two, Andrea Jones female 34. Okay, so friends, so we'll go one by one. The first method and the easiest method, which everyone knows, or like most of them knows, is sorting techniques and duplex function. So what I'm going to do is here, first I will create the data set, the work library. Okay, I've created this data set. Then I'll be using the first technique is proc sort data. Duplicate is this data set. We would be we'll be using the out statement. I'll be using the out statement, and it would create a new data set, remove duplicate. The data set name would be remove duplicate 1, and I'm using this function node duplex. And by all it means that it's going to check whether all the variables have the same value, not just 1 or 2 variables. So if like it's like Tom Alter M23, and if like Tom Alter M23, all the 4 variables are same, only then it's going to remove. So I've run this statement. I'm going to print this statement. As you can see that it is showing 5 variables, because it is taking Andrea Jones female 34 and Andrea Smith F31, because only Andrea was common in the first name, not all the variables were similar. So this technique is widely used in cases where you want to remove duplicates, where all the 4 values of the variable, or the 4 variable values are same. Okay, so now I'll go to the second technique, which is SQL statement. In the SQL statement, I will create a table remove to, and then I would write this statement: select distinct star. Star means it's going to take all the variables from duplicate. Quit. See, I'm going to run this. There you go. So again, because we have taken for all the variables star statement, that's why it is only matching only if all the 4 variable values are same, only then it's going to remove. But in this case, Andrea was the only common value, that's why it's showing 5 records. Okay, now you go to the third technique, proc sort, which is no dupe key keyword. I'm going to use that, because what will happen is that if I use this no dupe key, it will only see whether the first name, because I'm going to sorting it by the first name, by the variable is the first name. and if there is a duplicate in the first name, it's going to remove it from the observation. So this technique is different from the first two because we're using this no dupe key statement. The statement above was no duplex, where all the values from the all four variables would be matched, and if all four are same, it would be removed from there. But here in this case, only even if the first name value is repeating, then it's going to remove the first name which is repeating. I will print this data set. Okay, sorry, this why I think it happened. I think I did not give this semicolon, that's why. Okay, here we go. We have only 4 records because the no dupe key word would only see if there is any duplicate here also in the first name, because we are using the by statement here. So even if there is a repetition here in the first name, it's going to delete that record. So we have covered now 3 techniques. The other one is frequency method. This is not exactly we use to remove duplicates, but just to show it for demonstration purpose, like how we can see that we use like proc freq data duplicate is the data name, dataset name, and then tables. First name is the variable out unique key first name count, where count is equal to 1. So what it will do is that it will show the unique records from the first name, and it will show the frequency, like the Andrea is there 3 times, the Kirsten is there 3 times, Sam is there 3 times. Similarly, this is just a technique to know the frequency statistics of the unique records which you are going to mention in the by variable. The other thing is that we can do this by other method. This is first dot variable method. Now the only thing is that for using this technique, first we have to sort this duplicate data, because it's not in proper order. The by variable needs to be sorted because it will then create a problem. So what I'm doing is that I'm just sorting this duplicate table by this variable first name, and then data remove up 4, or I can use data remove to 4 set duplicate by first name if first dot first name and last dot first name, then output. Now what this statement is doing is that the record has to be the first and the last. That means the whichever record it sees first after, because we are sorting it there. So according to the sorting, like we have used the this ascending here. So according to the ascending sorted list, what we see is that if whatever the first of this variable name, which is first name, it sees that, and if it's the last one, then it will create the output. It's not happening. I'm just going to remove this. Or we can remove this. There is no need for this last name. If first dot first name, then run. So what it will do is that it's going to take the first um, value of the variable, like there, if the first name, if it, like, it would take Tom Alter, because if after sorting that, this would be, the first, so it would take this and it is going to remove this. So here you go, like this. This is also very similar. First variable output, if we see the first variable, just difference is that I'm mentioning here, then output is equal to remove tube 5, which is this output. This one I am giving the output in case if you want the duplicate value to go here in the dupe statement. This is also very similar to the one which I showed you before. I'll show you the first values which it encounters while compiling. This one is quite different. The variable method, what this will do is quite different from the above techniques. Here I am creating a dataset called remove dupe 6. In that I am copying duplicate dataset. Then I am just mentioning this variable where 1, where 2, where 3, where 4, the variable numbers, and if the number is equal to the number for the variable is equal to 1, then the output else do. Here what I am doing is that the first name, which is the variable name, is equal to the because like these are sort of variables, the number of variables. The first name we have given equal to the variable 1, the last name, which is the second variable, given to where 2, third variable, which is age, given to where 3, and the fourth one is we have given sex is to equal to variable 4, then delete, else output. Then variable 1 is equal to first name, we are assigning it here the variable 2, which is last name, age, sex, drop this variable statement. So what it will do is that if there is a duplicate value, it's going to remove the duplicate value, and it would only take the number which is the first instant which it sees from the records. Like if it comes and see Tom is the first, Tom Alter, it is going to only take Tom, which is the first instance. That's why if number is equal to 1, only then it will take the first instance or the first value of the the variable. Here we have mentioned all the 4 variables. Only it will see that if only the 4 values of 4 variables are same, only then it will consider that as duplicate. Okay, we are going to run this again and see. It is also showing Andrea 2 times because it is considering the values of all the 4 variables. That's why. The last is very simple. Data remove 7 set duplicate by first name not sorted. Now this not sorted is the different keyword here. Not sorted is that we don't have to sort this duplicate data set to use this technique, because when we use this not sorted, it's going to set up a flag in the system that the data is sorted. So we don't have to use the, in real it's not going to sort that, it's just going to take the records on the order which we give, but it would set the flag that it's sorted. So without sorting you can use this technique, but you have to just mention this word not sorted. I'll again run this data set because I've sorted this once, showing in one of the example. Okay, so once again I run. Now it's not sorted. I'm going to use this technique. Now if I don't use this not sorted, it's not going to work here. CF, just compile it. Now I'm going to print it. See, it's going to show here. Now if I remove this not sorted, because it sets a flag for the variable name, if I set this not sorted, if I remove this not sorted, and if I run this here, if I run this again here, oh, still it is showing, because I think it's already, the variables are not properly sorted on this data set. So yes, we have to use, I've used this not sorted technique. The last one is quite simple. It's just going to count the overall uh, observation, like to count 1 as cube from select star from duplicate group by first name having count first name more than 1. There are 9 observations, so it's going to count like how many observations are there. So this is simple, not related to removing duplicates. These are some of the techniques which I've used to remove the duplicates from the dataset. You can use any of them according to your requirements, and if you have any comments or suggestions, you can please drop in. Thank you very much.